How to change video speed in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a video that I should speed up. You can see this is how it looks like by default. Now the way that you will speed this video up is by selecting it, right clicking it, click on change clip speed, and then just do that. Now let's click change. Now you will notice something, and that is that this video is the same duration, and it included stuff that it didn't include when I first cut the video up when it was at the default speed. Now the way that I would do this is by right clicking the video, going to change clip speed, and now just remember the duration. So speed by default is 100%. If the speed was 200%, it would basically cut the duration by half. So let's say we want 400%, that would be, so half of 16 is 8 and half of 8 is 4, so that's 4 seconds. Now let's just do 400 because we know it's 4 seconds. Let's change. And now let's cut the video to exactly 4 seconds, and this is the video sped up. And there you go, that's how to speed up a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.